Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of video in which we are showing you how you can make a dashboard for your Miss Salat management. Means it is assumed that you have plenty of salats which you have to clear. You have to pray them, and, uh, and there is a backlog of a large number of prayers which have to be performed. Right. So this is the code which is uh, on the double click. When you click here, the first immediate first blank row in the overdue column. So what does it do? When you do the double click, it asks you the how many days, right? It asks you the how many days, right? Okay, so today is 1st of June, and we have prayed on 31st. Okay, so let's remove this. We remove this, for example, right? So we remove 31st from here, and this formula automatically adjusts that there is no. Okay, so when you double click on it, it asks how many prayers, how many days have you prayed. So you say a backlog of 5 days. So 5 days, each day with the 6 prayers have been marked as cleared, right? So you have performed 5, 6, 30 prayers have been cleared, means qada. You have done the qada of 30 prayers. That's right. So let's enhance the code. Um, this code will work fine if there are no, if it is continuous range, it's a continuous. What happens if we have some prayers in here that you have prayed, right? For example, you have prayed, or you have already prayed this one, and so it means there's a gaps or different gaps, right? As you go in the bottom, for example, we go to the very bottom, and this is our 31st of May, and all are prayed. Okay, so what if you have missed this salah, and you have missed this salah as well, and you have missed, for example, this salah, and there are gaps. There are certain gaps. Okay, and when you want to perform from here, and you want to tell that you have a prayed in here, right? And if you double click on here, so it is always forcing you to enter here. So it is not. It is only. It asks for the how many days only when you double click on the very next prayer in the overdue column, right? So what if you have say you have clicked in some other parts, for example here. For example here, yeah, if you want to mention that you have prayed in here, what would be the way of doing it, right? So we have to enhance this code so that 5 prayers, say these are one gap of prayer, the second, okay, and say 3, 4, and 5. These 5, which are the missings, these, if you want to mark them as prayed, so how would you do that? Using this code. So it means you have to enhance the code. You have to enhance the code. So let's enhance the code. So this is the code which normally works. It asks for you how many days. It will still ask how many days. That's right. But it does not ask if the target column 4, then the target column is 4, the row is greater than 4, and the target is equal to space, and the target is of -1 is not equal to space. So this is the condition which we can remove. We can remove this. If we remove this part only, then it will start functioning a bit. Okay, so let's try it. What we do is we put a stop in here. Stop. Okay, this is the right way of making any making forcing it to come to the debugger, right? So we have removed this one, right? If we may need to recover it. Okay, it's okay. So we have removed it, this part, which, okay. And now let's test. If we double click in here, will it allow us? Yes, that's right. So it is working. It is working. Now the next thing is you want to check that how many days, right? That's right. What it is going to ask, it is going to ask you how many days. Yeah, we say we did 5 as usual, right? So it is suggesting a date which is the maximum date in this range. Okay, so we can change it to 1st of June because or 31st of May. 31st of May. We say 31st May. Make sure that we write the right date. Okay, 31st of May. We prayed 5 days. Okay, so that's what it has done. Good. Next is what if what about the next day on the 1st of June, for example? We carry on with this and we enter 5 in here. On the 1st of June, I prayed 5 days backlog clear. Okay, that's right. And how about if you went to a certain date and you want to mention that these prayers were actually not valid, so we have to perform these qada salah. Okay, so let's make it non-continuous manner. Means there are break. This one has to be prayed. The second is this one. The third is this, and 4 and 5 is this. Okay, right. And there are many. Okay, so when we double click in here, it will ask how many days have you prayed. Okay, so we say we have prayed 5 days, right? Now from starting from here, it is going to mark only those in which were not prayed, right? So let's okay. You will see that these blanks will be filled with 6 and with the date coming in here. Okay, so on 1st of June, we played, for example, these salats which are scattered, which are non-continuous. Okay, click OK. So you see, so all those scattered ones have also been marked as prayed, and it did not touch anything else, right? So this is an enhancement which will be useful for those who have the missed salats in a scattered manner, right? They are not in a continuous manner, but rather a scattered manner, right? So this was a continuous manner. So it is going to work for both as expected. Okay. So for example, on 2nd of May, let's see that in our old routine, say we prayed 5 prayers, or on the 2nd of June, 5 prayers, right? Okay, so the 5 next prayers are performed, right? And the figures are updated as well. Figures are updated. As you can see that on 1st of June, right, this one. And we remove, for example, we remove this as well, for example. Okay. So on 1st of June, we prayed 5. Let's click 5 on 1st of June. Why it is coming as 2? Because there are in the bottom some date, which is 1st of June. That's why it is suggesting the 2nd of June. So you can always make the changes of the date, appropriate changes. Okay. So 1st of June, 5 salats are marked like this. Okay. So this is how you do the marking of the overdue qada salats and clearing of the backlog, and not only in a continuous manner, but a scattered manner as well. Right. If the scattered manner is where you have this one, right? Okay. For example, you want to mark 2 days of Salat on the 3rd of June. Okay, so let's double click on here and you say 2 days Salat on the 3rd of June. So only these 2 will be marked, the rest will be ignored. Okay, 3rd of June. Right. You will see that only these 2 are marked, the other are left. So this is an improvement which we have done. I hope you enjoyed it, and this will add more value to our system, and this will allow you not only to mark in the continuous manner, but also in the scattered manner. The system will work free of error, right? Okay. We will adjust it like this. We delete all these and we delete this as well. And until 1st of June, we have completed it. And also we have added a value in the code and the code is improved. And a for next loop has been added, which checks all the selection, and when the marking is done, so it exits for. So this is the for next loop now, marking the Kaza Salats. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.
لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب عالم آب و خاک میں تیرے ظہور سے فروغ ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو